friends, how are you? I'm fine, and today I'm going to present you a car comparison between Mercedes Maybach GLS, Rolls-Royce Cullinan and Range Rover SVL long wheelbase. For the first time, I'm going to present you a car comparison between three cars for the first time. So, we are starting it now. So, firstly, we will talk about the starting price. So, starting price is of Mercedes Maybach is 2.75 crore, while Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 6.75 crores, and uh, Range Rover has a starting price of 4.25 crore. So if we talk about fuel type, then Mercedes Maybach GLS has mild hybrid, while Cullinan has petrol, and Range Rover SV has a mild hybrid. So if we talk about engine type, then Mercedes Maybach has 4.0 liter, Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 6.8 liter, and Range Rover SV has a 4.4 liter. If we talk about engine, then Mercedes Maybach has V8 engine, while Rolls-Royce Cullinan has V12, and Range Rover has V8. So, if we talk about max power, then Mercedes Maybach has 550 bhp at 6000 rpm, while Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 563 bhp at 5000 rpm, and Range Rover SV has an 606 bhp at 5855 rpm. If we talk about max torque, then Mercedes Maybach GLS has 770 Newton meter at 2500 rpm, while Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 850 Newton meter at 1600 rpm, while Range Rover SV has a 750 Newton meter at 1800 rpm. If we talk about turbocharger, then all of them has twin turbo. If we talk about idle, start and stop, then only Mercedes Maybach GLS and Range Rover SV have. Rolls-Royce Cullinan does not have, so it is one of the lacks that Rolls-Royce Cullinan have. So if we talk about top speed, then Mercedes Maybach GLS has 250 km per hour, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan has also 250 km per hour, but Range Rover SV has a 261 km per hour. It means it has highest top speed. If we talk about transmission type, then all of them have automatic. If we talk about drivetrain, then both have all-wheel drive. So if we talk about front suspension, then Mercedes Maybach and all of them has double wishbone, while rear suspension, if we talk about, so all of them have multi-link. If we talk about the length, then Mercedes Maybach has 5208 mm, while Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 5341 mm, and Range Rover SV has 5258 mm. If we talk about the width, then Mercedes Maybach has 2030 mm, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 1835 mm, and Range Rover SV has an 1870 mm. If we talk about the height, then Mercedes Maybach has a height of 1838 mm, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 1835 mm, and Range Rover has 1870 mm height. So if we talk about the wheelbase, then Mercedes Maybach has 3135 mm, while Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 3295 mm, and Range Rover SV has a 3195 mm wheelbase. If we talk about the ground clearance, then Mercedes Maybach GLS has 219 mm, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 173 mm, and Range Rover SV has a 219 mm. It means that Rolls-Royce Cullinan ground clearance is shorter than both. So if we talk about number of doors, then all of them have 5. If we talk about minimum turning radius, then Mercedes Maybach GLS has 6.2 meter, while Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 6.9 meter, and Range Rover SV has 5.7 meter. If we talk about the wheels, then all of them have alloy wheels. If we talk about the tire, then all of them has radial tubeless tire. If we talk about the lane functions, then all of them have lane departure prevention and lane keep assist functions. So if we talk about the number of airbags, then Mercedes Maybach GLS has 8 airbags, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan also have 8 airbags, but Range Rover SV has 6 airbags. If we talk about puncture repair kit, then Mercedes Maybach GLS does not give, but Rolls-Royce Cullinan and Range Rover SV gives. If we talk about the child safety locks, all of them give. If we talk about climate control, then all of them has 4 zone. If we talk about air purifier, then Mercedes Maybach GLS and Range Rover SV have, but Rolls-Royce Cullinan lacks it. So if we talk about rear wiper, Rolls-Royce Cullinan does not have, but Mercedes Maybach GLS and Range Rover SV have. So if we talk about central locking, then Mercedes Maybach GLS has keyless, and Range Rover SV also, but Rolls-Royce Cullinan does not have keyless, it has remote. So if we talk about boot space, then Mercedes Maybach GLS gives 520 liter, while Rolls-Royce Cullinan gives 560 liters, and Range Rover gives the highest boot space, it has 725 liters. Okay, so now we will talk about the interior. If we talk about the interior, then Mercedes, if we talk about fridge, then all of them have a fridge. If we talk about the multi-purpose tray or picnic tray, then all of them has. If we talk about wireless charger at second row, then Range Rover SV and Mercedes Maybach GLS has, but Rolls-Royce Cullinan lacks it. If we talk about entertainment screen at second row, so all of them have, we all know that. If we talk about number of entertainment screens at second row, then Mercedes Maybach GLS has 2, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan also have 2, and Range Rover SV also have 2. Okay, so if we talk about controlling phone or screen at second row, that is near the armrest or at second row. So Rolls-Royce Cullinan does not have, but Range Rover SV and Mercedes Maybach has. But in the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, you can directly go to the entertainment screen and control your chair seats from there. So if we talk about the ambient lighting, then all of them have ambient lighting. If we talk about second row ventilated seats, then all of them have. If we talk about second row massage seats, then all of them have. And second row leg rest, all of them have. Yeah. If we talk about the audio system, then Mercedes Maybach GLS have 27 speakers, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan has 18 speaker, and Range Rover SV has 35 speaker. Check the photos which I have shown here and tell me which car has the luxurious interior. According to me, it's Mercedes Maybach GLS because it has the most modern style technology used in interior, but Rolls-Royce Cullinan has classic and more luxurious interiors. But if you want to, but I will choose Range Rover SV also when I want legendary off-road with luxury. Choose the Rolls-Royce if you want ultimate status, bespoke, hand-built quality and V12 engine. Choose the Maybach GLS if you are being driven and want most tech screens and limousines like comfort. And choose the Range Rover SV long wheelbase if you want a balance, high-end craftsmanship, modern minimalism, and the ability to drive it anywhere. The but according to my criteria, which I have shown you, the Range Rover SV LWV is at the top. Uh, but it doesn't mean that SV have all the features, but some features SV also lacks, which Mercedes, Maybach, GLS, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan have. So choose your car by ensuring features which you want in your car. So I like the Mercedes Maybach well because it is the most high tech and it feels you like a private jet cabin on land. So for now, goodbye, and tell me on the comments which car comparison will show you next. Okay, so have a nice day and check my previous video also. Maruti Suzuki Swift 2018 interior, which I have shown, and it you also like, subscribe and comment on that video also. So for now, goodbye, and